The Advanced Imaging Education Centre was set up under the umbrella of the University of Toronto in conjunction with the Joint Department of Medical Imaging, where we have 80 world-renowned faculty who are specialists in their field.
The AIEC opened in 2009, and over the past 10 years, over 1,100 participants from over 30 countries have attended courses in the AIEC.
The Education Centre is located within the Toronto General Hospital, which is in downtown Toronto. The advantage of that is that we have patient access and we're able to offer live workshops with patient demonstrations, which is a very unique capability for courses of this format.
So the JDMI, Joint Department of Medical Imaging, is one of the largest academic radiology departments in the country. The AIEC really stands out in the times of increasing teaching through webinars, remote access. The AIEC is a very unique, different approach with human-to-human interaction, a hands-on approach in teaching the newest development of our radiology to the next generation.
The most outstanding part is the teachers, and they're very, very experienced either in conducting the study or in post-processing the study.
I think what stands out about this program is the large database of unique cases that one could practice hands-on with a group of highly skilled instructors.
During the breaks, I've met and interacted with people who have come from Germany, the candidates from South Africa, and it's like really nice opportunity to know to them and what they practice back home, and it's good for networking also.
So we're very grateful to Canon Medical Imaging Systems, who have been a very strong proponent and a sponsor of the Advanced Imaging Education Centre since its inception in 2009. Without their valued support and guidance, we would not have got to the position that we have, and we are continually grateful for their support.